We are pleased to show you the 2018 BMW X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, convenience package, rear view camera. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.